Assalamu alaikum. Today I will share very informative video, especially the person who are very much interested in Microsoft SQL Server 2022. I will share how to enable Microsoft SQL Server 2022 Windows authentication as well as SQL Server authentication. At first, I will share Windows authentication. I will open the SQL Server Management Studio. It might take time. Just open it, and now I will go for at first Windows authentication. See, I will select Windows authentication. After that, I will connect and see my database is connected. This is Windows authentication. Now you can access system database, etc. Now I will go for Microsoft SQL Server authentication. Just I want to tell here, if you want to go to SQL Server authentication, now you should check or set up some option. See, I will click here. Microsoft and Windows both are authentication. I will check it up. Then I will go for another configuration. It is very much important. See attentively. You just need to change something. Just change my password 128. Now need to go here. Just click on this. Okay. Now I will try to connect. See, I'll try to system administrator. See, it could not connect it. Here is some problem. I'll go to resolve this problem. Service Microsoft SQL Server Services. Open the services. Just I will at first stop it, then again I will start it. It might take some second. See, this is very simple but very important. Now again I will start it. Whenever it will completed, then I will try to connect again. Now again try for connect. Press token connect, press connect. See, this time it is success. Successfully connected and you can access system database as well as everything.